Leana sighed as she sat on her bed, staring at her empty homework folder. Oh no! I forgot to turn in my math worksheet again, she groaned. She felt her cheeks flush and her heart sink. I keep messing up. Maybe I'm just bad at remembering things. Her blanket of bravery rustled softly beside her. Leana, it whispered, Dreamville has a place where mistakes aren't bad, they're how you learn. Would you like to go there tonight? Leana hesitated. A place for mistakes? That sounds scary. The blanket smiled. Sometimes, the things that seem scary are the ones that help us grow. Leana nodded and wrapped herself tightly in its warmth. In a swirl of golden stars, she drifted off to Dreamville once again. When Leana opened her eyes, she stood at the base of a towering mountain made of shimmering crystal. The air buzzed softly, and above her, words floated in the sky, the mountain of mistakes. Each step on the mountain glowed with faint letters, spelling out small errors, spilled juice, broken toy, forgotten homework, said something mean. A friendly creature with fluffy blue fur and big round eyes approached her. Hello. I'm Muddle, the mountain guide. I help travelers learn from their ipses. Leana giggled. Muddle. That's a funny name. He bowed playfully. I make mistakes all the time. But here, mistakes are magic waiting to be understood. Leana began to climb. The path was bumpy and full of shining memories, each one showing her a time she had made a mistake. In one, she saw herself spilling paint on her friend's drawing. In another, she forgot to feed her pet fish until the next morning. Her heart felt heavy. I didn't mean to hurt anyone. Muddle smiled gently. That's the first step, Leana, feeling sorry. But now comes the best part, learning. He pointed to a glowing stone ahead. Touch it and think, what did you learn from that mistake? Leana touched it and whispered, I learned to be careful, and to say sorry. The stone lit up brighter and floated into the sky, forming a small, glowing bridge ahead. See, said Muddle. Every lesson becomes a stepping stone to take you higher. Halfway up, dark clouds gathered. You'll never get it right, they murmured. You always forget things. You'll just mess up again. Leana covered her ears. No. I can learn. I can try again. Her blanket of bravery shimmered around her shoulders. Mistakes don't mean you can't, they mean you can try again differently. The clouds began to fade, replaced by warm sunlight. Muddle cheered. You did it. You faced the cloud of can't. Leana smiled, feeling lighter. Maybe mistakes aren't monsters. Maybe they're teachers. Finally, Leana reached the top. The view was breathtaking. Dreamville sparkled below like a blanket of stars. A golden plaque stood before her. Every mistake is a chance to grow wiser, kinder, and braver. Leana smiled proudly. I made it. The mountain shimmered and began to fade. Muddle waved. Remember, Leana, falling isn't failing, it's learning how to climb again. With a warm breeze and a sprinkle of starlight, Leana drifted home. When Leana woke up, she stretched and smiled. Today, I'll fix my mistake. She packed her math worksheet, double-checked her backpack, and even helped her friend Mia remember hers too. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.